afternoon, class. Now today in class we are going to be doing an experiment with density. Now density is a measure of how much matter is in a certain volume. So some liquids might be thicker than others. Some might be more dense and less dense. So we're going to show you some of the different liquids, and in a really cool way we're going to do this rainbow colored. So I have with me 5 different liquids, all of different densities, and what we're going to do is we're going to pour them in here and see what happens. So the first liquid I have some cornstarch, and we're going to make this one purple. Awesome. And now we're going to mix it up, mix it up, mix it up. Okay, awesome. Now we're going to pour this in here, as so. Do you see how that is purple? Okay. Next, we're going to take our dish soap. Now our dish soap is already blue, so then we're going to pour it in like carefully. Pour it in like this. And it should fall on top of each other. Do you see? Awesome. Now we are going to do our water. And our water is going to be the next, and it's going to be green. So 1, 2. We're going to mix it up like so. Mix it good. I'm going to get it mixed really good. And now we are going to pour it in slowly so it goes on the top of our soap. So we have our cornstarch on the bottom, and we have our dish soap and our water. Now the next one we're going to do is our olive oil, and our olive oil is already yellow. So we're just going to go ahead and pour it in, and it should do the same as what the others are doing. As you can see. So now we have our yellow olive oil, our green water, our blue dish soap, and our purple cornstarch, or corn syrup, my bad. Now our next one we're going to do is we're going to do our rubbing alcohol. Now rubbing alcohol, it looks like water, but it's not. It is clearer, and it is the least dense of these liquids. So we're going to show it by, we're doing red, and we're going to mix it up a little bit. Mix it really good. Kind of looks like Kool-Aid. And then we're going to do this again. So we're going to pour it in slowly. Now this one kind of mixes with the yellow sometimes, but it normally stays on top. And it's all poured in. And it rises to the top, as you can see. So we have our purple, which is our corn syrup, our blue, and our corn syrup is the most dense, our blue, which is our dish soap, and that's the least dense, or the next dense, and the green is our water, and then we have our olive oil, and on top, you can see it, we have our red, which is our rubbing alcohol, which is our least dense material. So yeah, so that's a way to find out density. Awesome.